It's been a flurry of decisions and filings over the last 3 days as Virginia does legal battle with voter rights groups and the Department of Justice over a purge of 1,600 people from the state's voter rolls. The most recent, an appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. The state seeks to reinstate a program that was started by an executive order from Governor Glenn Youngkin that directs the DMV to review their registration data for people who identified as non-citizens and compare them with voter rolls and start a removal process for any matches. The DOJ and voting rights groups sued, arguing this violated federal law that bans systematic changes to voter rolls 90 days before a federal election. The program had removed around 1,600 people since it went into effect, and the plaintiffs said some of those removed were actually U.S. citizens. Youngkin argued he was just enforcing a 2006 law signed by then Democratic Governor Tim Kaine, and his order just changed the review from monthly to daily. On Friday, federal judge Patricia Giles, a President Joe Biden appointee, sided with the plaintiffs and ordered a temporary stop to the program and the re-registration of the 1,600 people.
The state didn't do any kind of individualized investigation. They sent out mass mailings, and then if they didn't receive anything back, they just purged people from the rolls. And that's a systematic process that was invalidated here.
The state appealed to the 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, and on Sunday, a 3-judge panel sided with the lower court. Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares announced on social media he then filed an appeal with the Supreme Court Sunday night and wrote, quote, "American citizens and no one else should determine American elections," end quote. He asked the Supreme Court to intervene by Tuesday. In Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.